Alright, welcome back. In the last video, we built our very first summarization agent and it worked pretty well. But if it didn't, guess what? You can come back, edit them and make them much better. And on top of it, you can even add tools and give them superpowers. So in this video, we are going to do exactly that. And we'll also transform it into an email summarization agent by adding Gmail as a tool. So let's just get started. So first things first, let's head over to the agent section. You will see all your agents listed here. And there's our summarization agent. To edit, just click on the agent name and boom, we are back in the editor with all the previous sections. Now before we start editing, let's add Gmail as a tool. So scroll down to the tools section. So click on add tool and you'll see an option called configure more tools. So click on that and it will redirect you to a place where all the tools are listed. Now I'm going to select Gmail. Now when you click on Gmail, it's going to ask you to connect to your Gmail account. Just click connect, authorize the permission, and that's pretty much it. The tool is added, super straightforward. Alright, now that we have got Gmail connected, let's update our agent to actually use it. Let's start with the agent tool. Right now it says it is a summarization agent, which is fine, but let's make it more specific. You are an email summarization agent. You are excellent at reading through emails and extracting the most important information. Now for the agent goal, let's update that to it. Your goal is to access the user's Gmail inbox, read through their emails, and provide clear, concise summaries of most important message. See what we did there? We gave it more focused persona and specific target that involves using the Gmail. Now let's update those instructions to reflect our new email focused workflow. I'm going to replace what we had before with a prompt given in the description below. Now let me hit improve prompt again to make sure this is production ready. Beautiful. The prompt is looking much more detailed and specific to our email use case. Now here's the important part. Scroll down to where you see Gmail tool listed. You will notice there's a section that says select action. This is where you tell the agent exactly what to do with this tool. Let me select this option. So now, this tells the agent not just to connect to Gmail, but specifically how to use it in the context of our summarization task. Now let's also update our examples to reflect email summaries. I'll paste something like this. That way the agent knows exactly what format they are expecting for the output. Alright, everything looks good. Now let's just click on update agent since we are editing an existing one. And just like that, our agent is updated. Now, let's just test this out by asking it to fetch today's email summary. So yeah, when you're building with LYZR Studio, you're not locked into your first version. You can continuously go back, edit your agents, add new tools, define the instructions, and make your agent much better. So there you have it. We took our basic summarization agent, edited it, added Gmail as a tool, and turned it into a powerful email assistant. Now, in the next lesson, we are going to learn how to connect a knowledge base with our agents. So, that's it for this one. I'm Faraz. I'll see you in the next one.